So hello guys, and I am going to show you today how I do my letters keyrings. So how I put the keyrings, drill the hole, and how I do everything once they get demolded. So I use this mini electric drill. It's got quite small bits with it. I use this one. I don't exactly remember what size is this, but this is the perfect size for the size I normally use. So I use this one, and it has got kind of the button like that. It comes like in a USB plug, so you do need a plug, a USB plug to put it on. And yeah, so, and then I just need to turn this switch on and it's on. You can hear. So I just turn it. Let me just move. Let me do the way I want to do, and then I start drilling. It takes just like seconds to finish up, to be honest. It doesn't take too long. So I find this one, I used to use the manual one, and it used to take ages and ages to drill the hole manually. So I just use, you make sure you put your mask on when you do it, because you end up having a little bit dust off the resin and you don't want to breathe in. So I got to turn it on, and that's going right on the top there, and drill it. That's it. That's enough. You can see how long it's done. Yeah, it's gone up till there. That's enough. And this is how much it takes to do it. Not too much, is it? And you can finish in a minute if you're quick enough, but it doesn't take too long to do it, to be honest. And since I got this one, it made my job so easy. That's it, all done now. Turn this off, and I don't need that now anymore. So that was done, and now the another step what I do, I'm just going to move this mold from here. So after drilling the hole, I'm doing the next step. I'm going to screw this eye pin. I'm using the gold one, and I have got mixed my resin as well. I'm using J-Diction resin, mixed properly. So for screw, I just take in the pliers and hold it like this. Be able to see, just holding just like that, and then just dip the bottom bit up till the screw in resin. So what happens if you do this way, your eye pin get secure with your letter, and it won't come out. So after dipping, I'm just putting the holding plier and a pin in one side, and twisting the letter just like this. And if you find it loose, don't worry about it, because you put the resin in, so it will be secure anyway. So that's done. It doesn't take too long. And then done again, holding this one like that, dipping in resin, up till the screw bit, and then get another letter, and you can see the resin. It might go on the top a tiny bit as well, but don't worry about it, because once it's get cured, once it's dry, it's fine. You can see I'm just twisting the letter. I'm not twisting my plier, just holding the plier and twisting it, and it will be secure once it's dry. It won't take too much. Once you have your drill your holes, it doesn't take too long to do this screw. Oops, keep dropping. I always struggle working with the gloves on my both hands, so I will keep one in my hand, and one is, so normally I don't have one, but I try not to touch the resin, avoid the resin touching, because it's no ideal when you don't have gloves. PPEs you should wear your gloves, both gloves, and your mask as well. I have the window next to my table as well, which is all wide open when I work, and got this heat mat under this tray. You can probably be able to see it, which make it warm the resin, and because you need a constant temperature. Once this done, I'll show you how to do the doming, because doming one of the thing I always do. Oh my goodness. Never mind. Yeah, because it gives nice doming effect and nice finish to your anything at all, like if you have a coaster or have anything, to be honest, any resin piece gives nice. I just touch the resin with my gloves, but I don't want to touch the letters. I'm keeping my finger away. I'll wipe it once I've finished this one. So this one you do with the epoxy resin. I do normally I have my UV resin on a side for this purpose only, for doming the keyrings and securing the eye pin. I'm just doing this video to show you how it can be done with the epoxy, because not most people have UV resin with when you work with epoxy. But I will record another video as well with epoxy resin. Only got 2 more to go. This thing when you have a 2 gloves on, and it's hard to twist. All right, the last one now. Okay, so that's done. Now I'll show you the another step for doming, and then tomorrow I'll put the tassel and keyring part. Okay, so here I got, you can see the resin ready here, and the keyrings. I'm going to start doming them. So all you need to do, just take resin and just go over it just like this. Don't put too much, otherwise it will drip on the side. All you need to make sure it just cover the top bit. So, and then spread it to make sure touching the edge and it's covered the whole top bit. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. If you have any bubbles on the top and it has popped, what you can use, that's not a bubble, you can use the toothpick, and you can push your resin down like here, just get the air out, and when the resins get in, it gets covered. But you have to use toothpick or something to get the air out and push the resin in. So you can fix your bubbles as well. Because this one I use the soap, which has so much air in, and it does need to get the air out. Yeah, it's gone. The bubble is completely gone now and it's covered with the resin. Like on the side, sometime you can see there's a bubble there. So use your toothpick, but if you're using the toothpick in a mold, make sure you break a little bit tiny tip from the top, so it doesn't have to be too sharp, otherwise it will damage your mold. So that's it, and I don't need to use the heat gun because I can't see any bubble from this resin. It's quite crystal clear. Just adding a little bit more resin on here. So that's it, and I will show you the next step tomorrow. And once it's dry, it will be ready by tomorrow morning, because I have used the normal resin, not 4-hour demolding resin on this. So we need at least 12 hours. So I'll probably do it tomorrow. It'll be ready. This is kind of like 25 degrees Celsius on a mat. So enough heat to cover. So thank you guys, and we see you tomorrow. So as you can see, it is done now. You can see how nice the dome effect looks in this rainbow cloud, rainbow sky. So, and that one is secured properly as well. The eye pin, I put it on. You can see the resin around it as well. So yeah, that's done. There is a tiny resin you can see around it. So it is quite secure now. So now the next step, and this is the last step as well. So I'm going to do put the Keyring bits and bobs. So got everything ready here. So I'm just putting, you can see it's gold Keyrings. I got them from Amazon. I buy sometime from AliExpress as well. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you. And this is the tassel, which I normally buy from AliExpress or Amazon as well. Depends. If it's taking too long with AliExpress and if I need quickly, I normally go for Amazon. So my pliers, this is my plier, and this is the pointed plier. So use both of them same time. So first, what I do, I take this part, I put my tassel on the one with the ring. You can see the big jump ring here with the split ring. So I put my tassel there. So what I need to do, just put my plier like that and open it up a little bit, just like that. And it's opened, and then I put my tassel just like that. You can see it's open, and then just squeeze it, push it. If it's gone too far, what I do, I just do like this. Sometimes it just to touch those bits and make sure they're tight enough so that the tassel doesn't come out. That's all, and that's done. So I'm going to finish all of them doing same way. Open, put the tassel, oh, I got the wrong one. So as you can see, this one, it hasn't gone too far, so it's touching the both end, and it's sealed, it's covered, so it won't come out. The tassel won't come out. And I'm going to finish off all of them. Oopsie. See, this one is gone too far, but I don't mind going that far either. It's quite secure when it's gone too far. That's done. That's it, that's done. And now I'm going to put on Keyrings. You can see how nice the domino effect look in this G. So get again, and open up this one. So this is the other end, you can see, and this eye pin goes on there. So hold it like this. Got one plier holding this, another one just for holding purpose. If you have a 2 pliers, it's easy to do that way as well. And just squeeze it. That's it. And that's it. And that's done. Your beautiful keyrings ready. And I'm going to finish all of them same way. Do M. This one M is soap cloud I made, and this one just kneadable eraser. You can see it's only one I use on this one because I just wanted to give it a go to the kneadable one. And if you're just using one plier, put it in, hold it just like that, and you have to make sure you're holding and then squeeze it. And that's done as well. that's it, that's all ready. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.